My name is Dr. Stephanie Coulter, and I'm the director of the Women's Center for Heart and Vascular Health at the Texas Heart Institute. I've become passionate about how our lifestyle choices can help us reduce our risk of heart disease, and it can also help better manage heart disease. What we eat matters. That's why I'm a fan of swaps. It's a simple way to replace highly processed foods with fruits and vegetables and other foods that are good for your health. And they're often even more delicious. And so here are some of my favorite swaps. Instead of crackers, which are processed, slice up raw vegetables to dip into hummus. Try carrots, cucumbers, I actually really love red peppers, or whatever else you like. Replace a white food like flour, potatoes, rice, bread, pasta with a vegetable. You need to stick to whole foods that are low in glycemic index and high in fiber. So substituting other healthier options such as eggplant, carrots, zucchini, asparagus, tomatoes, cucumbers, or even green beans are a great way to start. Instead of buying store-bought salad dressings, make your own. It's quick, it's fresh, it's easy, and then your refrigerator doesn't become clogged with a bunch of bottles that are expired just taking up space in your refrigerator. Olive oil, vinegar, mustard, I always add lemon. What spices you have on your rack are always usually available, and they make a delicious, easy to obtain, quick salad dressing. Don't drink fruit juices. They're loaded with sugar. So you should eat oranges, you should eat apples, and the juice that's in the fruit is accompanied by the fiber and the nutrients that are in the fruit. Once you build this habit, you'll begin to see healthy swap opportunities everywhere, and it's a great way to feel more in control of your health.